whatever it is, I like it. We're going back to Johnson Creek. I have some friends in town, and one of them is a YouTuber who, if you don't follow, you should. But most of you probably already know him. He does some
dumb things.
Welcome back to Clear Direct.
It's Clear Direct.
And we're back. Guess who I see? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 Rans, 3 S21s. I recognize this one. All right, back here at Johnson Creek, we got Matt from Minnesota, all the way out from Minnesota. He also flies 737s. Matt, thanks for taking the time to talk to us a little bit.
Up. Absolutely.
So tell us about your beautiful Rans S21.
Well, I got it in January of 22, so it's about a year and a half old. I fly it just a little bit. It's got 400 hours on it so far. It's a factory built airplane, and it's taken me a lot of places. My first plane ever.
Okay. What size wheels?
These are the Airstrip 26 wheels. They do a good job.
They look good. I like that. I think that's the sweet spot in wheels in my opinion. So you flew it all the way out from Minnesota with a 915 IS. So what kind of speeds were you seeing?
I've seen about 130 knots true, in the low teens just because of the headwind. Probably go a little faster with the smaller wheels. The one negative to these wheels, they kind of beach ball and they kind of wobble around like a knuckleball. Okay. So they'll do that and they'll stop for, I don't know, a minute. And
looks like the 6-inch rims.
6-inch rims, yeah.
Okay. And then stock tail wheel. What size tail wheel?
That's a 10-inch tail wheel.
10-inch? Okay.
Yeah. I've had it ceramic coated, and I've got paint protection film on the leading edge of everything, which actually doesn't quite clean as well as just a ceramic coat because it's soft and the bugs kind of stick into it. Okay. So it takes a little bit more elbow grease, but nothing's going to hurt it. Yeah.
It's a beautiful paint job.
Yeah, they really did a great job.
Yeah.
I picked the scheme out and the colors. And
yeah, you don't see this color very often. How'd you come across the green?
Well, the green, I love motorcycles. I've got a Kawasaki Ninja. Okay. It's not this color, but that is Kawasaki green. Sure. And the gray is Toyota magnetic gray, and I've had a bunch of Toyota trucks with the same color, so cool. I figured
that's great.
Might as well stick to a theme.
Yeah. All right, so you got the camera inside the
cowl cam, so I don't run over any line boys or stumps.
Today, you and Todd went hopping around the Idaho backcountry. How was that? Yeah,
that was great. It was awesome following them. Took some great strips. Some that weren't super short, which were nice. You know, they're pretty smooth, but just flying slow down the canyon was great. Yeah. We went north and saw a bunch of places. It was a lot of fun. And some of the flight I was burning 3.8 to 4.2 gallons an hour, just kind of loafing along at 75 knots.
Looking at the
and
sights. With
full gas, I have 44 gallons is about the max with this particular one, and you could probably last 3 or 4 days bush flying. 2 days I'm down to 19 gallons.
Do you have IFR in this?
Yep, full IFR. It's got a GNX 375 and 2 Garmin G3Xs.
Perfect. Oh, okay, similar to mine.
Yeah.
Take a look.
And I've had it up to 23,000 feet.
23,000 feet. Okay, that's something I'll never do.
And I had 105 knot tailwind, and I was pushing 234 knots over the ground, over the Great Lakes.
Yeah, I remember seeing that on social media.
About 135 knots true is what I was getting up there.
Wow, that's very cool. I love the seats.
Yeah, I had those custom done. Yeah. They're heated too.
Oh, they're heated?
Yeah,
well, Minnesota.
Put switches in, and they're great.
Yeah.
They're really good.
Very cool. Okay. That's great. Well, thanks, Matt.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Let's see if Angry Bird is ready for that's the name.
Angry Bird?
Angry Bird, which is so loud. Yeah.
Most people on my channel probably know this guy.
Maybe.
What's up, Todd? How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Good,
Good to finally meet you.
Yeah, good to finally meet you as well.
Yeah.
For those of you who don't know, his channel is Gravity Night Flying.
Right.
And he does some
dumb things.
dumb things. Some amazing things in Angry Bird, is that right?
Yeah, that's a nickname.
Rans S7?
S7, yeah.
S7 with turbo. What engine?
It's a Edge Performance 912, the full Edge motor.
Yeah. So he does some amazing stuff in really, really high country, high density altitudes of of Colorado primarily, and then of
Yeah.
course Idaho, and does a lot of filming, and his edits are fantastic, so go follow him there. I'll link it here.
Thank you.
Well, they're gonna go bebop around the backcountry, but just wanted to introduce and do a quick collab. Wish my S21 was done, we could go play, but
Oh man,
that'll happen.
when it is,
It'll
we
happen
will.
soon. Yeah, for sure.
Absolutely, we'll get together.
All
It'll
right.
be great.
Yeah,
A couple of adult libations later.
exactly. Well, it'll happen in due time.
Yeah.
All right, Todd. See ya.
See you, man.
Sounds good. He's now at the end of the runway, I think. 1000 AGL. Oh man. All right, Matt. Well, I'm gonna blast out of here. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Yeah. Well,
We'll do it again.
yeah. Let's next time we'll do it in my S21 and your S21
Absolutely.
and your Bonanza. He's shopping for Bonanza too.
Yeah.
There's no limit inside you. A new day begins. Right now, lead the way. A new day begins.
And just like magic, we are back in the concrete jungle of Boise. That Bonanza is just a time machine, and I freaking love it. Anyway, thanks to Matt for showing us his awesome Rans S21 Outbound. I can't wait to finish mine and fly with him, as well as Todd. Don't forget to check out Gravity Night Flying. You will be happy you did. In fact, I gave him the scoop. I told him the name of my S21. His, of course, his S7 is the Angry Bird. Little Easter egg to go check out his channel and find out the name of my Rans S21. And of course, I'll catch you guys up a few weeks later. It's been a long time since I talked about Flying Eyes Optics. FlyingEyesOptics.com. CD10 is the discount code for 10% off your order. I love them. They don't affect the ANR. They've also got old guy style for guys like me who can't see anymore close up. So I've got the reader prescription in the bifocal there. So anyway, hope you guys are all doing well. Till next time, you are cleared direct.